Hi, I'm very friends. This is VideoPad and this is movie. Let me remove the sound. Okay, mute it. I did it for one of my channels. I'll give you a link in description if you need something like that. Okay, but I did it with elephant which is real. And because I'm doing some animations, I maybe need a little bit cartoonish elephant. So what can I do? I'm at VideoPad and I drag and drop it into the timeline, my video, and did right click, find effects, and among the effects I found cartoon effect. Okay, you see my elephant is changed already. Okay, there are 3 parameters here: colors, edges and details, and you can change them and to find the solution that is good for you. You know what, let me try something like that, for example. Increase. It can work. No, it works. I think it's good for cartoons. That's it. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.